Hey, my name is Gilbert, and today I'm going to show you how to add an email signature to your Gmail account. An email signature can reassure the person receiving your email that you're an actual person and not a bot. It can also have your contact info already entered into each email message. For this demonstration, I'll be using Google Chrome, and I'm already logged into my Gmail account. First, we're going to find this gear icon on the top right and click on it. You're going to come down to see all settings and click that. Scroll down until you find the signature section. It's right around here. Now, Google gives you the option to save multiple signatures so that you can pick and choose which signature is added to an email. Here you'll add your first signature. Typically, one signature is enough. So let's click the Create New button. If you're going to create multiple signatures, you can give each one an identifying name. Since we're only creating one signature in this demonstration, I'm going to simply call it signature and click Create. Your various signatures in this area. If you want to change the name of an identifying signature, you will click the pencil icon, type the new name, and click Done. In this area, this is where you will enter the actual signature. There's not an official correct format for an email signature or what it should contain. Some employers may even have a template for you to use, but at the very minimum, it should show your name. Now, these options down here let you format. Let's highlight, and you can change the font, the size, bold, colors, or there, talent. This icon lets you add a link to a website. And this icon here lets you add a picture. The picture could be a company logo or even a photo, any type of image that you choose to add. So now we're going to scroll down to the signature default section, and we're going to click on this drop-down menu that's right under for new emails use. Click on it. So by default, it's going to show no signature. What we're going to do is click the second option, which is the email you just created. Just as a reminder, I simply named mine's signature. We're going to do the same for the next drop-down menu, right under On Reply Forward Use. Click the menu, click the next option. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom of this page and click Save Changes. Before you consider this done, let's test your email signature. Create a new email by clicking the Compose button to your left. And that's it. You successfully added an email signature to your Gmail account. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.